Good morning, everybody. This video is going to give an explanation of the seasons. The Earth has a 23.5 degree tilt. Here my finger is up on the top, that's the North Pole, and the South Pole is on the bottom. Now, if you look at the sun shining, it's hard to see in this light, but I have United States here in the summer position. So United States is way over here, close to what would look like an equatorial position. The equator is down because we have that 23.5 degree tilt. So if you imagine a shaft of light coming from the sun, which is like this lamp, now I have concentrated sunlight coming to where the United States is, which is not far from what would look like the equator. So the sun is high in the sky at this time of the year, and you have concentrated beam of light. You can see United States better now, and I have this like tube of sunlight. There's only a small angle with the sun rays because the sun is high in the sky. Because of that, the intensity of the light striking the land is higher, so the temperatures will be warmer. Now, if you put the United States in like springtime, now I'll put it over here like this. You have that tilt. Well, now it looks like it's getting higher up on the globe. So this would be more like springtime. We're getting higher up now, and when you have a shaft of light coming on here, it's going to start looking a little dimmer. Notice the area is getting bigger for that shaft of light. So the light is starting to get less concentrated. This would be true for fall or spring. That's why spring is still cool and fall is cooling off because of the light. Now the angle with the sun is lower in the sky. So now we have a bigger area and the intensity of the sunlight is decreasing. So now we have less energy to warm up the land and the temperatures are colder. Now in the winter time, with the tilt of the earth, now when you look at the United States, it's getting way higher up now, and you try to shine a shaft of light on there, now you can see the area of the light is a lot bigger area of the light up there. You can see we have a lower intensity of the light with that bigger area of light. So the sun would be low in the sky, and then the intensity is much lower, so now it's colder, and then of course in the northern latitudes you have snow in the winter. Here in New Mexico you have cool temperatures with less snow. So it is the tilt of the earth that is responsible for the seasons. As the earth goes around the sun in its orbit, then you got the tilt of the earth, and with the changing intensity of the sunlight throughout the year, we have the seasonal effects of that. The intensity of the light changes throughout the year. Summer has maximum intensity, fall and spring have kind of an intermediate intensity, and in the winter, due to the tilt, we're tilted backwards, so the sun is low in the sky and we have low intensity of light, and hence the temperatures are colder. Thank you very much.